normally sit on the floor, but I was trying to find different angles. I've been waking up at like half hour earlier because it's go time right now. 2 AP exams left. I just took one yesterday. I think it was fine, but I have one that I like really need to study for in 10 days. So this is coffee. My homework mug, I know. It appears all the time. I have like 2 weeks left of school. Then I'm graduating, done with high school forever. And then we move into college and life, and it's crazy. I really don't want to take statistics in college, so I'm gonna try really hard to pass this exam. Today also I want to clean out my closet and sell some of my clothes on Poshmark. I'm trying to compact my wardrobe a little bit, just a tiny bit. If you're curious, the podcast that I'm listening to it's the Skinny Confidential, him and her podcast. It comes out every Tuesday. It's one of my favorites. And this one is with Ryan Holiday. It's about just changing your mindset in quarantine, because I think a lot of, what we're dealing with is straight up mindset, especially if you're lucky enough to live comfortably at home. I'm really just trying to switch my mindset and do as much as I can with my time, because now I'm like in that headspace. So it's go time now. I just wanted to quickly emphasize the in the right headspace part. I think everyone should be taking their own time and, get back into things when they're ready. And I don't want to push that you should go back into things right away. So I was in the right headspace to start working again. So that's what I did. Yeah.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix it with the broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus.
One thing I've been super bad at is keeping up with my bullet journal. I've really been slacking ever since end of April. So it's now like August 11th and I haven't planned out my month, and I need, in those school's ending, I still have things that I need to work on and deadlines. I need to be able to control some aspect of my life, So let's go.
You're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just wrestle.
Month, goals, ideas, and then we got the day. And that's about it. Alright, so I got some fuel, much needed, apples and some banana and peanut butter. This is breakfast. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm feeling a lot better about stats now, which is a relief. Get so nervous about something, and then once you actually start doing it, you're like, oh, like I can do this. So once I actually started studying it today, I was like, okay, maybe I can, figure this out, because I'm not the best at math. If you are like stressed about something and are procrastinating doing it, I think the first step is like actually just doing it, because that way you won't be thinking about it all the time, and you'll probably get more done and feel a lot more comfortable once you actually start. So pro tip. Now I'm going for a TV break because I'm hungry and I'm tired.
I know things are gonna be okay.
Happy afternoon. I basically finished all my work I have to do for the day, which is wonderful because it's only 1:20. So one of my main goals right now, I clean out my closet pretty often. I buy a lot of clothes and then I don't end up wearing them, and it's a really bad habit that I need to break. So, and I also want a really fresh wardrobe for college when I finally get there. I have like literally an actual hamper full of clothes that I want to sell, and then if they don't sell, I'm gonna give them away. That's kind of the deal for now. I really want to make it outside today. It's nice and windy out, and I just want to not be in my room all day. Oh, and also I am getting like everything ready for the room redecoration. It's coming. I want to just turn this into like coffee shop vibes, since I can't go to an actual coffee shop, and that's where I did like 98% of my homework during the school year. But yeah, if you haven't watched part 1 of the room redecoration series, I'll put it right here. It's mostly just cleaning, and then I planted a tree, but that tree is just not going anywhere because that's a lot of maintenance. Oh yeah, one thing I'm putting on my goal list is to start reading before I go to sleep every night instead of watching TV, because I watch a lot of shows throughout the day, so I need to change it up, and reading's really good for you and I miss it. Alright, that's it for now.
By my side, imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping Imagine all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why.
Hi. This is the next day. Didn't do much yesterday after I did my work, so I thought I'd just continue this into the next day. And I'm actually doing something tonight, which is really exciting because I swear I have not left my house in 2 months because, you know, of everything. To this little road thing that we have near where we live and watch the sunset. It's 1 o'clock right now. It's been a slow day. Woke up and was just not feeling into doing anything, so I started rereading Christine Ricciot's Again But Better book. I just really needed something that felt kind of like college and that I could resonate with, because college feels so out of reach right now. You can't control everything around you, but you can control how you see things. That's really important to stay sane. I don't know when college will happen, if it's gonna happen soon or if it's gonna be a year before, so we'll see. But anyway, I have some work to do. I actually have an exam in like an hour. I feel like this is completely safe, but wow, it feels literally so weird to actually be driving in a car and going somewhere, like besides to get groceries. I'm actually about to stop and get some sushi, just like a little thing really quickly. I have my mask, of course. I am like very cautious about safety and everything. Yeah, I have my mask and I'm very excited to not be in the house for a night. Yeah.
When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason.
Happy Thursday. Okay, I'm actually gonna clean out my closet because I've been putting this off for way too long now. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse because, oh my god, I hate when they look so wonky. Okay, I'm just gonna do a time lapse because I don't really know how these like videos work. I'll link my Poshmark in the description if you want to buy any of the clothes that you see, because I'll probably like show them in the camera or something. Also today I'm just gonna be baking for my friend because it's her birthday, so maybe I'll film some of that, and then I think that'll be the end of this video. While I do this, I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube videos. Right now I'm in the middle of Christine Ricciot's. She's the one who wrote the book that I was reading earlier. This one. I'm in the process of writing a second book, and she like made a whole vlog about it, so I was watching that. That's kind of what I want to do for my book, so I think that would be really cool. But yeah, I'm probably gonna finish that.
When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side.
So I just listed like, I think maybe 7 things from my closet. I really just can't focus on things right now. I don't know why. I've been so tired this whole week and just trying to get like the bare minimum done. I'm trying to buy pieces that are like more timeless and I can wear them throughout different seasons and whatever, so that way I'm not spending a lot of money at fast fashion stores, just 'cause a lot of sustainable brands are really, really expensive. So that's what that's about.
I love the way she calls. Whoa, these days it's not easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
I'm gonna end it here. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. It'll be at the end card, but you can subscribe below if you want to. I hope you're having an amazing day or night or wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.